Just trying to round off that edge so
Yeah.
it doesn't slide away all the glue, right? This one's not.
It's 8.
Some guys just do it with that knife, but...
Хоч ти маєш ножика?
Так.
Дай, будь ласка.
А я йому пропонував, сказав, що немає. В машині в задній сідушці на сумці сидить.
Та ладно, він вроді вже. В задній сумці, так?
Так.
Окей.
Що, воно просто запікає?
Воно це розчинник, спочатку розчиняє, а потім він додає клей. На цей розчинник стінки якби зварюються між собою. Він папу, маму знежирює і розчиняє, а потім клей, який зварює. Це трошки треба прокрутити обов'язково. І потримати, щоб труба не вийшла, не видавилася.
Так, це ж поки така я заживу, бо папа йде.
Угу. How many feet or millimeter must pull?
That one is 65.
65?
This one's gonna have to be a bit longer because we have to put some space in between them.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to measure that out.
Okay, you say how long, understand how
Sure, okay.
next time do it as your client.
So let's just see here. These.
Yeah, this part must be like this part. We faster, and one mistake is.
Yeah. So we're
Sorry. Yeah.
We're gonna
It's
put one of these over.
Yeah.
We're gonna screw this off. And
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you a screw fitting to put another one of those on.
Yeah, and understand how many fertilize pressure different here and here.
Yeah.
Okay. And regulate this.
That's just to turn it off.
Yeah,
That's if
yeah,
you
yeah.
don't want to use any injection, then you turn those valves off.
Yeah.
And then this valve here is to control how much.
Oh.
So that's going to change the pressure between these two.
Okay.
So you turn that one, and then this one will go up, and that one will go down.
Yeah.
Що, він цього не зробив, бо немає тої труби?
Да, нема труби, але цей, він покаже те, що.
Розмовлялася труба, я не пам'ятаю, який це діаметр. Нам треба тонше, ніж ЄСА, так?
Що ти кажеш, де це?
Зараз.
За хатою валялась труба якась?
Нам треба, щоб вона влізла сюди, так?
Щоб... What size pool, small pool must be?
Just measure that.
One,
Ні, це велика.
one dюйм or...
Коротше, менше, щоб було менше.
But attention, this different. Yeah.
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 Yeah. So what we're gonna take. I'm gonna get you a T later.
Yeah.
That has female thread that goes on here. We're gonna screw off this camel.
Yeah, but you measure and say you attention. It's different. Yeah. Don't have this part here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this part's gonna go here.
Okay. Yeah.
It's gonna screw onto this fitting. We're
Yeah,
gonna
yeah.
screw off the cam lock and screw this on, so that it doesn't change anything, right?
Yeah.
It stays the same.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
How long must?
I think it's 88 millimeters. I'm just gonna double check that here.
Okay. Maybe two. You need two or only one?
I'm gonna make sure that this one's the right size.
Yeah.
And then we'll make sure that the 88 is the same on the other side, and it's not 1 or 2 millimeters more or less.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna
Скільки їй
measure.
треба той зробити? Стільки десь?
Це
Добре, я принесу.
ти всю принесеш її?
Ні,
Да? My friend see one pipe this way maybe.
Oh, maybe it'll be the right size.
Yeah. It's must be 1 dime. Yeah.
What?
These two are 1.
1.5.
1.5.
Yeah.
Oh. I see. Injector have 3-way use. This way, and this way. Like you stop, you see instruction. Інструкцію подивитися.
Okay.
This is the right size, but this needs a special glue, and I don't have that glue here right now. So do you have glue for this stuff?
No.
No. It's the right size.
Yeah.
You just need special glue to connect the
Yeah,
black
yeah.
to the white.
Окей.
Підійде? То що, він буде клеїти чи ні?
Він тільки клеє цю велику, а ту вже, я так поняв, я буду клеїти. Ну, зараз то, що є, хоча б це. Зробити то, що є.
А ця що, не буде цей клей тримати її, чи що?
Да, він не розчиняє цю трубу.
from here, we're connecting to the valve.
Я би б склеїв. Тримав.
Спробувати, так, це попитка не питка, да.
This one. So I'm gonna get you a fitting that glues in the T to let you do that.
О,
So that way we can you can still connect those two together, right?
я.
Okay. So I'll get you one of those later. I'll just mail it to you.
Окей.
But we can put this fitting
О,
on here still because this is gonna go like that.
я.
So we'll do that right now.
Ручка там мені ще треба було.
Це хтось подарував якась така седа.
Ні, це мені на роботі дали. Дані мені понравилось.
З першої зарплати, я кажу, це ручка. Це.
So yeah, and then I'll get a fitting like this with a female thread.
Я.
Yeah, that'll connect.
Maybe this cut and yeah, pull next time. Yeah.
No, you're gonna screw it onto this fitting.
Oh,
So I'm gonna get you a fitting like this one.
Yeah.
Except with a thread that'll go over it.
okay.
Then you'll screw this on there, and
Зараз
then
я поїду в гараж, подивлюся.
screw the cam lock onto here. Okay?
Okay.
It's gonna go like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
But this part don't put this. It's you give me other this. Yeah.
Oh, a new T?
This part. Yeah.
Yeah, I can get you a new one of these,
Yeah,
or I can get you a threaded piece that'll hook this up.
Ah, okay.
So which would you prefer?
Yeah. What do you like? I don't
Well, if I
care.
get you a new T, then it will look exactly like the drawing. So we can do that.
Okay.
Let's do that, and then this is what we can do for now.
Yeah, and this part, what side size, how long pull must here, and here. Yeah.
Yeah.
You write.
How long? Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you can also you just have to basically measure how long till the stop in there. So there's
Yeah.
a stop. So you can measure that. That is 32 millimeters.
Yeah.
And then in the union,
Yeah, and here, how many millimeters?
30 millimeters.
Yeah.
And you'll have to just measure the unions. I'll send those with the pipe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. You're right. All size. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. We finished. Thank you.
Finish this. Yeah.
Yeah. And when have other pool, we finished all.
Okay. Yeah. You know how to glue now. You saw me doing it, so you think you can.
Yeah. You sent instruction for me,
Yeah.
and
yeah.
I
And now you've seen me
understand.
do it too, so you know.
Yeah.
Makes a mess, but that's okay.
Yeah. Okay. Close glue and spares.
Okay. And then.
And next part job. Thank you. Maybe you have website, telephone, where clients buy irrigation system. You have a website?
Yeah, but we don't. We only sell over the phone.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Maybe your phone?
Yeah.
See, was video your phone and people say your phone number?
Phone number?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, 403-346-0043.
Okay, thank
Southern
you.
Irrigation right here.
Thank you. Best irrigation system for Alberta, British Columbia, Saskatchewan, and other
We
province.
have Ontario too. One store in Ontario.
Oh, yeah. Okay, it's irrigation system for field, for gazon, grass, and for gardens too. Yeah.
Yeah. And yeah.